This is a cold comfort, and this is an Avaleha, which is like a jam. That's why it was easy to sell it to my children. I, as a mother, swear by it. The first sign of throat irritation or sniffles, cold, I give them just a lick, just this much, and then they wake up so much better. It soothes the throat, it clears congestion, it relieves chest heaviness, it supports recovery during seasonal changes, it restores energy because it has a bit of honey. Safe for children above 5 years generally, and it can be used as a preventive measure during any seasonal changes, like on the onset of monsoon. Just a lick, maybe 2-3 times a week, and more or less you will not get cold.